Hercules, hero of song and story, Hercules, winner of ancient glory, fighting for the right, fighting with his might, with the strength of 10 ordinary men. Hercules, people are safe when near him. Hercules, only the evil fear him. Softness in his eyes, iron in his thighs, virtue in his heart, fire in every part of the mighty Hercules.
On a festival day in Caledon, young King Dorian greets his loyal subjects. Suddenly, an awesome sound spreads panic among the people. In every part of the kingdom, the flying invaders mass to attack. Clutching their booty, the strange birds fly off to their master.
Welcome home, feathered friends. And what have you brought me? Ah, very good. Dorian's crown. Wonderful. You have all done very well. And here is your reward, your favorite food.
High above the earth, Dodonus, the seer of Mount Olympus, peers grimly into his crystal rock.
Observe, Hercules. Daedalus is using the dread Stymphalian birds against Dorian and his people.
Not for long, Dodonus. Come on, Newton.
That's me! That's me!
And while fear and panic grip Caledon, all look with hope to the swift approach of the mighty Hercules. On your feet, you clumsy centaur.
Look who's here, Herc! Look who's here! Helena! Helena!
Those terrible birds, Hercules. There are so many of them.
Don't worry, Helena. I'll send them flying back where they came from. Now let's find them.
Wait for me! Wait for me!
I have been expecting you, Hercules. After them.
Suffering Psyche! Herc! Herc!
That's it. Carry her off and drop her in the sea.
Hurry, Herc! Hurry!
Drop her! Drop her!
Oh, Hercules.
Very clever, Hercules. But let's see you fight my whole flock.
Herc! Herc! There's a million of them! A million of them!
Quickly, Newton, my bow and arrow.
Here they are! Here they are!
Huh? Huh? Get away! Ow! Keep off! Ow!
Look at him fly!
Help! Help!
I must say, it fits you very well. But how did you get it?
How do you think? How do you think?
Join us at his side, standing there with pride. Victory is here, raise a mighty cheer at the side of Hercules.